You can't make an omelette without breaking, for example. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. You can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. This age-old proverb carries a profound meaning that extends beyond the kitchen. It reminds us that sacrifices and challenges are often necessary to achieve success and overcome obstacles in our lives. Just like cracking eggs is a vital step in making a delicious omelette, stepping out of our comfort zones and embracing difficulties is essential for personal growth and achieving our goals. By embracing this philosophy, we unlock the potential for luck and success. As we learn to persevere through hardships and navigate the complexities of life with resilience and determination. So the next time you face a daunting challenge or feel discouraged, remember that sometimes breaking a few eggs is necessary to create something beautiful and achieve the success you deserve. By understanding the principle behind "you can't make an omelette without breaking eggs," we learn that success often comes with a price. It requires us to take risks, make sacrifices, and face challenges head-on. This proverb reminds us that the road to success is not always smooth, but the rewards can be worth it. It encourages us to remain resilient and determined when faced with adversity, as overcoming difficulties builds character and brings growth. Embracing this philosophy allows us to develop a positive mindset, where we see obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning. It teaches us to persevere through failures, knowing that they are stepping stones towards success. So the next time you encounter a daunting challenge, remember that breaking a few eggs is simply a necessary step towards achieving your goals. When we understand the profound meaning behind the proverb, "You can't make an omelette without breaking eggs," we realize that success often requires sacrifices, challenges, and taking risks. This mindset encourages us to remain resilient and determined when faced with adversity, knowing that overcoming difficulties builds character and brings growth. Embracing this philosophy allows us to see obstacles as opportunities for learning and development, while persevering through failures as stepping stones towards success. So the next time we encounter a daunting challenge, let us remember that breaking a few eggs is simply a necessary step towards achieving our goals. By embracing this mindset, we can unlock our potential for luck, success, and personal growth. Breaking a few eggs is a necessary step towards achieving our goals. This age-old proverb reminds us that success often comes at a price. It requires us to step out of our comfort zones, take risks, and face challenges head-on. The road to success may not always be smooth, but the rewards can be worth it. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.